Hello viewers, welcome to the 7 Facts. Today we are going to explore some interesting facts about the snakes. These elongated, legless, carnivorous reptiles are surely a fear factor to many of you. But ever imagine these reptiles carry some interesting facts with them? Before going into the facts, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Number 7. Snakes do not have the eyelids. Ever wondered why snakes might give you an eerie feeling? They don't have eyelids. This means they don't blink and have to sleep with their eyes wide open. Instead of eyelids, they have a thin membrane attached to each eye to protect them. The membrane is called the brill, which in German means glasses. Number 6. They smell with their tongue. Yes, snakes do have nostrils, but they don't use them to smell. Instead, they smell with their tongue and by using their Jacobson's organ. This Jacobson's organ is present in the roof of their mouth. Their smell is quite excellent and has also been described as smelling in stereo. They have a forked tongue and multiple receptors able to pick up different amounts of chemical cues. Number 5. Not all snakes lay eggs. You might have learned in school that reptiles are different from mammals because they lay eggs. While we like to classify and categorize everything around us, nature has its own rules. While approximately 70% of snakes lay eggs, others don't. Snakes living in especially colder climates have live births because the eggs would not survive outside. Number 4. Snakes are found on every continent of the world except Antarctica. Snakes cannot survive in places where the ground stays frozen year-round. So there are no snakes north of Arctic Circle or in Antarctica. Number 3. Snakes, like other reptiles, are cold-blooded. That doesn't mean their blood is cold. This means that their body temperature changes in according to the temperature of their environment. Unlike warm-blooded animals whose temperature remains constant, snakes which live in colder climates will therefore hibernate in winter, as it would otherwise be too cold for them to survive. Number 2. Snakes have internal ears and they can hear. Yes, you heard it right. Snakes do not have external ears or eardrums like we do, but they do have fully formed inner ear structures. They have a bone called a quadrate bone in their jaws. This bone moves slightly in response to the vibrations while they slither on the ground. Research has since shown that this quadrate bone does in fact respond to airborne vibrations as well as ground vibrations. Number 1. Do you know black mamba is the world's fastest snake? King cobra is considered as one of the most intelligent snakes. Yes, thread snakes are known as the shortest known snakes. The longest venomous snake in the world is king cobra from Asia. The longest snake ever recorded is the reticulated python called Medusa, which reached 7.67 meters. Anacondas can hold their breath for up to 10 minutes underwater. The heaviest snake in the world is anaconda and it weighs over 595 pounds. Thanks for watching. See you soon with some other interesting facts. Bye bye.